Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. We are here today because I've had a lot of people say, well, I don't want to spray paint my seats with leather or vinyl spray paint because I don't have the room or area to do it in. I just got a small scratch or a small hole, and I'm going to share with you the kit that we use, and it's very simple to use, and it comes with everything you need. Right here, we're going to give you an example of it. We have a customer said that they had left something between the seat and the console, and it actually, you can see right here that it actually scraped it, and it's got a split in it right there. See the cut right there. So we're going to share with you how we fix this. It works the same on everything out there. The kit that we're using is pretty amazing because it comes with everything you need. I think you're going to like the way it takes care of all the small issues. The larger issues, of course, you can deal with our other videos. First thing we're going to do with this, we've already cleaned it with our 99%, and we're going to put our adhesive here that comes with it. And all you do, if it's a hole or a split like this, what we do, it's that small, you don't need the backing material. If you do, you cut a small piece of the backing material and poke it up in there. And put a little bit of the glue right here. Now, because it's been gouged out here, we're going to take a little bit of the glue and lay it right in that gouge. Then we do is take the spatula that they give you, because we already got the glue in the crack, the split, the tear, or whatever it may be. We like to use a heat gun and speed up the process. This seat has a more distinct grain to it. This is the closest match because they give you all the grain paper in there to match your seating. Okay, what we're going to do is take our black and go over this. But you can mix any color you want. We're going to show you how to mix up a tan just for the fun of it. So let's put a little black on there. And you can get really, really, really picky when you're doing this. Just depends on how picky you are. It's tough to get it perfect, but we try hard to do that. So you just take your spatula. We like to put a little dab right there. And you keep doing that. Now here's the cool part about this. If you don't like the way it looks once you do this and you've heated it and let it set, you can do it again. This is a great kit to have around just in case. One thing about being a DIYer, if you keep up on your vehicle, then it becomes enjoyable to do it, to work on it. But when you have to do it, it's not so enjoyable sometimes. All right, we'll take our grain paper. Okay, we know we're going to be right in the center, so I'm going to trace that out right there. Now what we do, you can use a home iron, one of these little rigs. Ask Mama, guys, if you can borrow it. And you just take your iron and rub it on the iron like that and get it warm, and then lay it on top of where your color is. But we're going to use a heat gun. It works a lot better for us. And of course you can let it air dry for 24 hours. The directions they give you are very good. I'm going to take my glove off now. so that I can feel how warm that gets. And you just go over it like this for a minute while you warm up your iron. This is your iron. So I have the heat gun setting down here, and I just hold it there for a count of 5, and I go over it again. But you can match just about any color you want with this method. Julio.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
And the heat is what makes the color bond and cure. Otherwise it has to air dry for 24 hours like I mentioned. So we're going to do this for like 2 minutes. We do everything overkill, just the way we roll. And for those videos that are coming up, I think you're really going to like them. We're doing the GM, Dodge, Ford sometimes has the issue with the dash. Multiple ways to repair your dash if it's cracked. Our new diesel winter fuel mix is out, and it's DPF safe. Take a look in our videos and you'll find that if you're using a diesel. And let this set 15-20 minutes, and then come back and peel it off, and we'll take a look and see how it looks. Okie dokie. While that is drying, and of course you don't have to take your cover off your seat to do this. We're just doing it for the video to make it easier, but you can do this right inside the vehicle. You don't have to do this. Like I said, we're doing it for the video. But they give you a color chart to make just about any color you want. We're going to just make a tan, and it gives you the colors and what to add. All right, they give you a mixing cup, which is right here. You take your spatula, take a little bit of white out. Watch what I'm doing here. Then after you put it in, wipe off your spatula so you don't contaminate your next color. We're gonna need just a little bit of yellow. You're like an artist. And then we need a little bit of brown. And you mix it up, and we will see if we can. This is a small amount. You usually mix up more than this, and it has a lid to it so you can store it. Once you get your perfect color, you can store this. Now if it's not matching the color you need, then you add, say that it needs to be more yellow, add a little bit more yellow. Cap off a powder bottle, and it's cream, and it's a different color cream, but that's a brownish cream we mixed up right there. So you can see that it's you can pretty much do anything you want. Now if I wanted it to match this, I would add a little bit more white to it and a little bit more yellow. So there you go. You can make any color you like. But let's see what we've got here. I'll peel that off. Not bad. There's no camera trickery. Why would we waste our time doing that? We want to do what you see is what you get. You can see right here just a little bit of that spot. And the cool part of this is I can go back in, add some more black to that if I want, do it again until it's absolutely perfect. But I can tell you this right now, it looks a million times better than it did before. So if you're looking for a really cool little kit to be able to take care of any vinyl or leather imperfections, the smaller stuff, this is the way to go right here. You'll love it. But it comes with the mixing cup and all your colors and all that, and the glue. There you go, my friends. Hope this helps you. Take care, and remember, we got a ton of great videos all winter long. They're coming out. So please subscribe and share our channel if you'd like.